Noisy street rallies, supporters cutting their hair in election style. It looks like campaigning anywhere in Indonesia. But this is the Aceh Party, an extraordinary political party of former armed rebels who are trying to get used to democracy. For the first time since the peace agreement in 2005 between the Free Aceh movement and the government in Jakarta, the former rebels are free to contest seats in parliament. Not everyone seems to be happy with that. Parliamentary candidate Misbahul Munir of the Aceh Party is permanently accompanied by 3 bodyguards. More than a dozen of his colleagues have been murdered. The former rebel fought in the jungle against Indonesian soldiers. He's now fighting a different but equally dangerous battle to win a seat in parliament.
I have received letters threatening me. They say that if you don't step down as a candidate, you will be killed like the others.
Distrust and violent attacks are overshadowing the elections here in Aceh. This party of former rebels is campaigning for seats in parliament, but many, especially within the military, think they are campaigning for independence. The Aceh Party denies this, although a World Bank report says that some candidates have promised to push for independence if they win. The report also accuses the party of intimidating voters. Aceh Party officials claim they are the victims of an attempt by elements within the Indonesian security forces to disrupt the peace. This recent grenade attack at a coffee shop injured 5 people, bringing back memories of the 30-year conflict that ended 4 years ago. Amateur footage shows soldiers taking down flags of the Aceh Party. They were later jailed for 10 days.
There is enough proof that it's people within the military who are threatening us and committing violence.
The Minister of Defense denies this.
These are, instances of overzealous soldiers who, on behalf of defending the Republic, may have taken action far beyond what is necessary. And I think the local authorities understand this as part of that. All soldiers, the young soldiers at the ground level, face these problems.
And that has nothing to do with any stance within the TNI that there's a feeling of unhappiness about the peace in Aceh?
Certainly no. It's certainly not a matter of policy, it's not systematic, and it's not planned.
So far, the government has ignored an urgent request from Aceh to have a substantial foreign observers mission monitor the elections.
Pemilu ini menjadi titik yang sangat penting yang menentukan arah.
We really need independent observers. Our peace process is in a very crucial stage and the elections are an important element for that. There is a lot of fear that chaos could break out after the elections.
Misbahul Munir has chosen to be on the safe side. His bodyguards will follow him wherever he goes, even after the election results are in. Step Fasen, Al Jazeera, Aceh.